नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका बनारस लिटरेचर फेस्ट के 4th एडिशन में। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट माही और मैं सनबीम ग्रुप की तरफ से आपका स्वागत करती हूं हमारे शो संवाद में। संवाद एक ऐसी जगह जहां बातें सिर्फ बोली नहीं जाती बल्कि महसूस की जाती हैं। यहाँ शब्दों को अल्फाजों में पिरोया जाता है और अल्फाज कहानियाँ बन जाते हैं। बनारस एक ऐसा शहर जिसकी हर सांस में साहित्य बसता है, जहाँ हर कहानियाँ एक मोड़ ले लेती हैं और हर खामोशी में एक बात छुपी होती है। अगले 3 दिन तक हम साथ होंगे बहुत से बोलने वालों, सोचने वालों और अपने शब्दों, अपनी कलाओं को सुरों और अभिनय के ज़रिए ज़िंदा करने वाली आवाज़ों के साथ। इस सफ़र को और बेहतरीन बनाने के लिए आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मिस्टर रविकांत सर। थैंक यू सर फॉर बीइंग हियर। तो सर, my first question to you is, how did your entrepreneur journey started and what inspired you to build up such a big enterprise like Elegance Enterprises?
So I'll start from the journey. Before that, thank you so much for inviting me here.
My pleasure, sir.
मैं यूपी का ही बंदा हूँ.
Oh,
The place called Devariya near Gorakhpur. I belong from there. I finished my most of the education there. I shifted Bangalore in 2000, exactly 2000 July, and it's been 26 year, 27 year there. So I was working in IT field for a very long time. Around 12 years I worked in IT field, and then my partner's wife was working with me in IT, and she moved to real estate. So she pulled me in the real estate business. I think she motivated me to get into
wife
real
inspired.
estate. Yeah, so his wife, my partner's wife, inspired me to get into real estate, and we started Elegance Enterprises in 2012. It's been 13, 14 years now in the market, and I think I was working somewhere, started Elegance. It was overnight decision, and that time I never thought about the risk and things involved. I think God has been kind enough that given me the growth, and सबकी दुआएं अच्छी लगी हैं, and that's how we have
मेहनत
grown.
भी सर।
या मेहनत तो देखो, मेहनत एक पार्ट एंड पार्सल है. मेहनत बहुत लोग करते हैं, मेरा बिलीफ ये है. एंड मेहनत के साथ साथ दुआएं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, विशेस बहुत, ब्लेसिंग्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, विच टेक्स यू टू नेक्स्ट लेवल. बट हाँ, आपको एक ईमानदारी से मेहनत करनी चाहिए. अगर आप कहते हैं ना, अगर आप सच में किसी चीज़ को पाना चाहते हो तो आपको उसके लिए उसको दिन रात जीना पड़ेगा, उसके साथ उसको दिमाग में रख के रहना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू लिव विद दैट, and I think that's what we did it. So today Elegance is in 12 cities in India. We are in Dubai. We have 400 people working with us, as well as we are in development, which is Elegance Infra. We have recently opened office in Gorakhpur also. So coming back to roots now, and it's a very it's an honor and pleasure for me to be connected to the VLF here and be the part of it.
Sir, how did the overnight decision competed you in this daily life and build up this much big?
See, it was not easy. It was really not easy taking a decision because I was married, I had a kid, and we used to work, and whatever money you earn, you spend, right?
Yes.
So nothing was the big bank balance and things to live it. Yeah, it was a very difficult moment, but yeah, एक था कुछ करना है, और I think जुनून था, opportunities मिले, but very unfortunate there was no mentor at that moment to guide. But gradually when I got into business, I got a mentor who guided me in the real estate, and that's where me and my partner Pawan, we both build this. I have a partner Pawan, so we both build this. And कहते हैं ना, जब आप करने लगो तो रास्ते खुलते हैं.
Universe gives you wings.
Yeah, so I think we started working, and we started finding the right path, and growth has been amazingly good. We started, I used to work 16, 17 hours a day. I remember we had a small car, and that was our office. Started from there, and now we have 11 offices across India, and in Dubai, as I said you.
So, sir, how much it is important in such a competing business world?
देखो, innovations is very important. Reason is, आप उस भीड़ के हिस्सा रहोगे तो कभी आप ग्रोथ नहीं देख पाओगे. हो सकता है आप सरवाइव कर जाओ कि जहाँ lakh and thousands of crore businesses happening, you may do some business, part of it. But if you want to make a large, you want to make a something big where people can recognize you, you have to think separate.
Yes.
Like I can give you some examples. When COVID came, the real estate was dead. Not everything was dead,
Exactly.
and people started thinking that real estate is over. I remember COVID came in March and something, and April we launched a product called Property Expo, onlinepropertyexpo.com. Okay,
Not
there's a
listened.
portal.
Yes.
Okay, and people were sitting at home. Most of the people are saying that there's no business, but we found the way in it. We launched this portal, and we did second month we did 100 crore business because we reached out to developers. We asked them to give some extra things to us, some extra mileage, some extra gift or whatever you say the benefits to the client who can book in this situation where market is down, people are sleeping at home. So I think that's where that was a very good innovation for us. We did pretty good business. Then there was another thing we did it. We launched a portal. So after COVID, people wanted to travel out of the city. They wanted a little nice farmhouses, and that market started picking up. So we launched a portal called online farmbazaar.com or something like that portal. Then gradually we found the gap between requirement and supply of the farmhouses. We started a company called Aranyaka Farms.
Oh.
So where we started serving a client and started selling a large farm plots and villas and all to them. So I think those are the innovations are very important, which makes you a little different from the market. And वो बहुत ज़रूरी है इंसान को. और मेरे को लगता है कि हर एक जगह अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बहुत बड़ी हैं.
You just need to grab it.
You need to grab it and you need to find the way. And they are the leaders, they are the people who find the gap or the opportunities which lies. Even this thing happening here, there could be multiple opportunities for the people. Some people may get those opportunities and make a business out of it. Some people may not get it.
Exactly.
So that's the difference between a true leader and a business person.
So asking, as you said about leader, my personal question to you is ki what actual a true leader seeks in his employees or the person he puts through into his enterprise company or business.
देखो यार हमने जब काम शुरू किया था और आज की जनरेशन में बहुत गैप है. We were hard working guys. Today the new generation is very smart working. But the combination of both can lead the market.
Exactly.
As a leader, I always feel that we should build a team. We should create a leaders in the market. So when I look at the people, when I want to give the responsibility to someone, I want to see that person to take this as their own responsibility. I don't want to follow up with them every day. I want them to come back and say, this is what has happened, this is how it is. That is what true leader, upcoming leader is. Yeah.
You mean that not to supervise them in a way which makes them think ki you're the boss or something like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not only that, even देखो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ जब तक आप खुद वो काम नहीं करोगे ना तब तक आपको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं आएगा.
Exactly, ये तो है.
So today I know I started from scratch and I have grown. So I can understand every step how it is, and that's a very important for any leaders to start their journey as. That's where you learn, you do mistakes, and then again you learn from it. So next time you don't repeat the same mistake, and that's a very important for any leader.
It's like until and unless you don't experience it, you will not learn it.
Absolutely, experience is the most valuable thing any human can have. It
True.
cannot be.
Indeed.
It cannot be. It cannot be counted with money. It cannot be counted with anything.
Exactly. Actually, I also prefer this. I too think this because experience has also personally made me grow a lot. So it is like a super power type something ki, when you have experience for the things much people don't have, then you can lead them.
Absolutely. देखो क्या है, मैं तो आप एग्जाम्पल देखो ना, बहुत सारी बड़ी कंपनियों में आज की जनरेशन देख लो, यंग जनरेशन दे स्टार्टिंग बिजनेस 25, 26, 30 year old and 50 year old people are working for them. So in a short span of time, something he has gotten which that old people or that old age people have not got it. Sometime experience के साथ साथ right way of approach, right way of reaching to the destination is very important. And I think that's what will make any person as a leader or any person as a businessman in the market.
So what do you think failure matters? Matlab,
It
how
matters.
it
It's
builds?
very important. You should fail. You should fail every time. That you learn from it. If you keep on successful, कहते हैं ना इंसान की एक बड़ी गंदी चीज होती है, सक्सेस सर पे बैठता है. वो नहीं होना चाहिए.
Egoistic बनाता है.
You start feeling that you are unbeatable, you are a king of it. No, it doesn't happen. You should fall.
Did you had any failure in your
Yeah,
life?
several time. That's how the journey is. Until you have faced a failure, you will not know success meaning.
That's
देखो एक
true.
बात बोलूँ आप, मैं एक line I read somewhere and I always follow that. So when you climb a hill, the topmost hill, suppose you are climbing Everest, it's not easy. It's the most difficult thing. And believe me, and while climbing you will be alone. You will be left alone climbing on the top. But the view is so mesmerizing that you forget the pain what you have taken. Or you forget everything in the world.
You'll just remember the
You
thing
just remember the
you're present.
present there, and you forget everything. Everything is materialistic. So for me, I feel I follow this. I a firm believe that climbing on a hill or climbing on a peak is not is easy, but it's a very difficult. But it's the view is so mesmerizing that you forget, and you want to climb every time top, whatever the best hills you want to climb in the world.
Sir, what message would you like to give youth like me who want to pursue management or business area and are like confused कि किधर से शुरू करें, and it's like जैसे my personal experience, I want success but also a meaningful life, not only success. It's like success having पर एक कोई meaningful life नहीं है तो that's not worth it, you know.
देखो यार, दो चीज़ें हैं. लोग कहते हैं ना कि वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस
हाँ.
बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है. एज अ बिजनेस ओनर आई फील इनिशियली इट्स ऑलवेज डिफ़िकल्ट. You have to leave lots of things to get lots of things in your life. And that's how it is, first thing. Second thing, any new generation, I think they should have a lots of belief in themselves, focus, and you should be quick in decision making.
Okay.
That's very important. Until unless you decide, you will not know you are going in right path or wrong path. अब मैं एक चौराहे पे खड़े होकर ये सोचता रहूं कि मुझे जाना है कि नहीं जाना है, किस रास्ते जाना है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. एक रास्ते पर चलोगे तो पता चलेगा हम सही रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं, गलत रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं. गलत रास्ता होगा दूसरे रास्ते पे जाएंगे, दूसरा गलत होगा तीसरे पे जाएंगे. बट अगर हम नहीं जाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. तो अगर आप सच में अपने आप को अलग करना चाहते हो इस मार्केट से और यू वांट समथिंग टू बिल्ड समथिंग, यू हैव टू टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप.
You have to initiate.
Absolutely. And that willing power, that confidence has to be there, and the belief in yourself is to be there that whatsoever I'll do it. And that's very important.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really a great talk.
I'm just like you guys there. You know, I have come from this part of it. मैं तो सरस्वती शिशु मंदिर का पढ़ा हुआ बंदा हूँ, इंग्लिश नहीं मालूम थी
Oh,
यार.
sir, my mother also studied there.
So हम जब first time when I traveled all the way to Karnataka, first time I heard some other language. So I was not knowing there is other language exist except Hindi and English. UP वाले बंदे को क्या मालूम है?
Yes.
So I think going from there and building it and things, I think God has been kind enough, well-wishing from the family, parents and friends. That's what makes us. And thank you so much for inviting.
My
and
pleasure,
best
sir.
wishes
My
to you
most
for
pleasure.
your future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you, sir.
Yeah.
आप सभी व्यूअर्स का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Until then, जय हिंद.